Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the keyboard case to your tablet model. This ensures ports and camera cutouts line up. Once done, charge the keyboard to at least 50% or confirm batteries are installed, and turn on Bluetooth if required. Make sure tablet edges and case rails are clean. Dust prevents secure contact. Align the tablet with the case's bottom rail, let magnets pull it in, and press firmly until you hear a click. This locks physical fit and connects any pogo pins. Once the tablet is attached, check whether it wakes or shows a pairing prompt. Many cases connect automatically. If it doesn't, open Bluetooth settings and select the keyboard. Accept pairing or enter the displayed PIN. Make sure your tablet language and external keyboard layout match to avoid swapped keys. Adjust the case angle for comfortable viewing and typing. Test every row in a Notes app, paying attention to function keys, backlight, and special keys so you can troubleshoot before you start longer typing sessions. You finish by optimizing settings. Set shortcut keys, backlight timeout, and how the tablet behaves when folded. These small changes improve daily use. If a key or connection fails, reseat the tablet, unpair and then repair the keyboard, check for firmware updates, and swap or recharge batteries. These fix most issues. Make sure the case closes flat and avoid liquids and extreme temperatures to prevent damage. If problems persist, try the keyboard with a second device to isolate whether the keyboard or tablet is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.